I'm gonna show you how to sculpt a magic hand. Grab some thin wire, cut 5 equally long pieces and twist them together like this. Cut one more piece and create a loop. This is going to be the palm of the hand. Put the wire things together like this and twist them together. And yes, it looks weird. Use your own hand as a reference so you know what angle to place the thumb. Then it's time to cut the lengths of the fingers. For this part, use your hand as a reference. Once that's done, grab some 3D gel and start forming the palm. I was all out of nude color, so I had to go with the purple one. That's okay though, since I'm gonna paint it over anyway. Let's get back to it. Now it's time to start shaping the thumb. Remember to look at your own hand for reference. And yes, this part is so difficult. But at least it's easier if you go with one finger at a time and cure in between. Make sure that the fingers are in the right position before curing. If needed, you can always add some more gel or remove gel if you're not happy with the result. I realized I had to shorten the thumb a bit, so I did that. I used matte top coat to even out the surface, and then I just painted the whole hand. Now it's time to create the nails. Let me tell you, this part gave me a headache. Everything is so small that I had to use a small dotting tool to press the nails in place. Once you've placed all the nails on the fingers, you can go ahead and do the tiniest of manicures. And once that's done, you can attach the hand on the nail. Make sure that the hand is aligned with the other nails and make some gooey stuff around the hand. I've done this so many times now, but I'm still not entirely happy with the results. Anyway, you can use some glue gel to add to the design if you want to. I put some glue on the hands as well and made a few strings like this. Grab some black magic pigments from Cassie Payne and mix it with top coat. I use around 50% of each. Now paint the entire hand and the glue with the black mix and then cure. And you're done. Now watch the magic. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and follow for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.